In the grand tapestry of space, the Earth and the Moon are a cosmic duo, forever bound in an eternal dance around our planet. But what if this celestial partnership had never existed? What if the Moon, with its silent, enigmatic presence, had never graced our night skies? Join us as we take a journey back in time to explore a world where the Earth was left in darkness when the Moon never formed. The Earth's surface is constantly changing, reshaping itself over millions of years through volcanic eruptions, erosion, and the relentless churning of the tectonic plates beneath our feet. Yet there's one thing that remains constant, a silent witness to these transformations: the Moon hanging in the night sky. But what if this celestial companion had never been there? Picture a world without the Moon's gravitational pull, a world without tides. Coastal communities would likely still exist, but they'd be significantly smaller, and their existence would be much more precarious. Without the Moon's stabilizing influence, the Earth's axis would wobble more, leading to extreme climatic shifts. Summers would be scorching and winters icy, making agriculture a risky gamble. Oceans would churn with monstrous waves, and violent storms would become the norm. Navigation by the stars would be impossible without the Moon's predictable cycle, leaving explorers and sailors lost and disoriented. But the effects of a moonless Earth reach far beyond the physical. It would also mean no lunar eclipses, no breathtaking views of the Earth's shadow dancing across the Moon's surface, no night sky dotted with stars, no silvery beams illuminating the darkness, no gentle breezes whispering tales of the cosmos. Instead, perpetual darkness would blanket the Earth at night, a profound absence that would echo through the ages. As we peer into the abyss of this cosmic question, we find ourselves on the brink of understanding just how integral the Moon has been to the Earth's story. But it's not just the Earth that would be affected. Our very existence hinges on the Moon's presence. Life on Earth, as we know it, might not have evolved without it. In the vast expanse of space, the Earth is but a tiny oasis, teeming with life. And here, on this pale blue dot, we find ourselves at the center of a cosmic drama that began billions of years ago. The story of Earth's formation is a tale as old as time itself. And it was here, in the primordial soup of our planet's early years, that the seeds of life were sown. But what if we rewrite this narrative, turning the page to a world where the Moon never made its grand entrance? In this alternate reality, the Earth's surface is a hot, swirling mass of rock and gas, a world where life as we know it cannot evolve. The early Earth was a chaotic place, a molten sphere bombarded by asteroids and comets. But as it cooled, the stage was set for life to emerge. Yet without the Moon's gravitational nudge, this cosmic drama unfolds in a different key. Scientists believe that the Moon played a pivotal role in stabilizing Earth's tilt, creating the conditions necessary for life to flourish. A world without this celestial partner would be a world in chaos. As Earth hurtled through space, its axis would tilt dramatically, leading to extreme and unpredictable weather patterns. Imagine a world where ice ages and heat waves were not the exception, but the rule, where floods and droughts were not seasonal visitors, but permanent residents. Without the Moon's stabilizing influence, such a world would be a gamble, a roulette wheel of natural disasters. This dramatic tilt would also disrupt the Earth's orbit around the Sun. Our planet would swing closer and farther away from the Sun in unpredictable fashion, leading to a roller coaster ride of seasons. Summers would be unbearable, winters frigid, and the delicate balance that allows life to thrive would be shattered. This dramatic shift in climate would cast a long shadow over the emergence of life. The Earth without the Moon would be a world where life as we know it could not have evolved. Our journey takes us to the heart of our solar system. The Sun, a blazing ball of gas that provides the Earth with life-giving light and warmth. But what if this celestial giant had never ignited, plunging our world into an eternal winter of darkness? The absence of the Sun would have dire consequences for the Earth and any form of life that might have evolved on its surface. Without the Sun's energy, our planet would freeze, turning into a lifeless ice cube floating in the vast emptiness of space. No light, no warmth, no energy to drive the cycles of life. But the impact of a sun reaches far beyond the Earth. It would mean no light for the other planets in the solar system either, turning them into frozen waste. In this chilling scenario, the solar system would be a graveyard of planets, each locked in an eternal winter. Our gaze then turns to the distant past, to a time when our solar system was nothing but a swirling cloud of dust and gas. The birth of the Sun is a pivotal moment in this cosmic drama, marking the ignition that set our planetary system in motion. But what if this celestial birth had never occurred, leaving our Earth in darkness? In this alternate reality, the Earth would not have formed as we know it. It would be just another lifeless hunk of rock floating in the vast emptiness of space. No atmosphere, no oceans, no solid surface, just a barren chunk of material drifting endlessly through the cosmos. The Earth's atmosphere is a delicate balance of gases that make life as we know it possible. Without the Moon's gravitational pull, this balance would be disrupted, leading to a thinner atmosphere that offers little protection from the Sun's harmful radiation. In this unforgiving environment, life could not survive. And what of Earth's protective ozone layer? This natural shield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, allowing life to flourish. Without the moon's influence on the atmosphere, this shield would be compromised, leaving the Earth vulnerable to the sun's wrath. Our journey takes us deep into the heart of the Earth, to the molten core that drives our planet's magnetic field. But what if this vital force had never been generated, leaving our world defenseless against the sun's relentless energy? The Earth's magnetic field is a shield against the sun's constant barrage of charged particles. Without it, our planet would be bombarded by solar winds, stripping away the atmosphere and leaving Earth a lifeless, barren rock. Our magnetic North Pole, a beacon for countless travelers and navigators, would cease to exist. No longer anchored by our planet's spinning core, it would drift, perhaps even collapsing entirely. The absence of this magnetic anchor would throw off migratory patterns of animals and disrupt the delicate balance of Earth's systems. Earth's rotation, driven by its molten core, is responsible for our planet's magnetic field and the familiar cycle of day and night. But what if this ancient rhythm had never been set, leaving our world in a perpetual state of darkness? Without the Earth's rotation, one side would be scorched by the sun, while the other plunged into an eternal night. No dawn, no twilight, just endless days and endless nights. The Earth's axis would remain fixed, disrupting the cycle of seasons and tilting our planet away from the sun for half the year. This dramatic shift would trigger a chilling ice age, freezing the Earth and extinguishing any chance of life as we know it. It seems that throughout Earth's history, the moon has been a steadfast partner in our planet's evolution. From stabilizing the axis to influencing the atmosphere, the moon has played a pivotal role in shaping the Earth as we know it. Without the moon, our planet would be a vastly different place, a world that might not have given rise to life as we know it. Yet the cosmic drama doesn't end here. The moon has also been a silent observer of human history, witnessing our triumphs and tragedies from afar. But what if the moon had never graced our night skies, leaving humanity in darkness? A world without the moon would have profoundly impacted human civilization. The absence of moonlight would have posed significant challenges for navigation, making travel and exploration perilous. Without the moon's familiar glow, humans might have relied solely on the stars, which can be tricky to navigate by, especially during cloudy nights. This could have led to disorientation in potentially dangerous situations, slowing down exploration and discovery. The predictability of the lunar cycle has also influenced human culture, art, and mythology. For centuries, the phases of the moon have served as a calendar, marking the passage of time and dictating agricultural practices. The absence of the moon would have left a void in human culture, potentially leading to the development of different myths, legends, and rituals. Our species' very evolution may have been altered in a world without the moon. Some theories suggest that the moon's gravitational pull has played a role in the development of life on Earth, including the evolution of humans. Without the moon's influence, the course of evolution might have taken a completely different path, potentially leading to a vastly different outcome for our species. Perhaps in a world without the moon, humanity might have never evolved, or if it did, it would be a vastly different species, one that couldn't recognize its own reflection in the night sky. The moon, though silent, has been a constant companion to the Earth throughout its history. It's been a partner in shaping our planet's climate, a muse for human culture, and a silent witness to our evil. To imagine a world where the moon never formed is to contemplate a world vastly different from the one we know. It's a world where life as we know it may not have evolved, where human civilization might have taken a different path. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let us remember the invaluable role the moon has played in our planet's story. Let its presence in our night sky be a reminder of the delicate balance that has allowed life and humanity to flourish on the Earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the fascinating history of the Earth and the moon. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting explorations of the cosmos and beyond. Until next time, keep looking up and keep exploring. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Jago skrept ethik, ajamistaka.